Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Shopify theme language using the language editor. This is perfect if you're running a multilingual store or targeting customers in different countries. It's quick, easy, and you can do it all inside your Shopify admin. So, let's jump right in. First, open your Shopify admin and go to Settings. Then, click on Languages. If you haven't already added the language you want, click Add Language and choose it from the list. Shopify will automatically pull up available options. So just pick the one you want to use for your store. Next, you'll want to link that language to a specific market. To do that, go to Markets and click Add Market. Then, choose an active market that you want to associate with this new language. This step is really important because it ensures that your translations appear correctly for the right region or audience. Once that's done, it's time to access the theme language editor. Go back to your Shopify admin, and this time go to Online Store, then Themes. In your theme library, find your active theme. Click the three dots next to it and select Edit Default Theme Content. This will open the language editor, where you can manage all your theme translations. Inside the language editor, you'll notice tabs for different parts of your store, things like Cart, Checkout, Product Pages, and more. From here, click on Localize to start translating your theme into the new language. You've got two ways to handle translations. You can use Auto Translate to automatically translate everything at once, which is super convenient. Or, if you prefer more control, you can use the search bar or filters to find and manually translate specific text, making sure everything sounds natural and fits your brand tone. When you're done translating, click Save to apply your changes. It's a good idea to preview your store afterward to make sure all translations look right, especially on buttons, menus, and checkout text. You want everything to fit nicely and sound like your brand's voice, not just a generic translation. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify theme language using the language editor. It's a simple process that makes your store more accessible and appealing to customers around the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.